Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another day in my life vlog. I'm going to be going to get laser hair removal, which we'll talk about more later on in the video. Right now I'm about to head to get me some coffee because I want to buy coffee today, even though I did make coffee like not that long ago, but it was decaf, so I feel like when I make decaf I can have 2 cups. It is 8:05 a.m. I have been up since 3. You know, it is what it is, but I'm actually uploading a video too. It'll be uploaded in 11 minutes, but I'm not letting it go live until 3 p.m. I'm just uploading it and scheduling it. Can I get a chocolate almond milk shaken espresso? Can I get oat milk? It can be tall. I've never had it. Is it good? Thank you. You too. All right, folks, let's taste it. It's not as good as the brown sugar one, but maybe I need to stir it up. Anyway, all that, and I'm about to go straight back to my apartment. So I am so oily. I'm trying a moisturizer sunscreen that I tried a few videos ago. I just made it to my laser appointment and I'm about to get my underarms lasered. I don't even know. This is like my 7th treatment. So basically, okay, so I actually am having problems. Most of my hair is like a lot thinner, but a lot of it grew back this time. So I'm gonna ask her about that. A good amount of hair, but this is still like amazing on how my underarms look now. And so yeah, I'm gonna head on in. I'm like wiping off all the sunscreen because I'm like super oily and that's annoying. By the way, I am so exhausted, so if I sound dull from the last time I talked to you guys, that's why. Like I said, I've been up since what, 3 a.m. I'm definitely gonna go home and take me a nap. So I just left my laser appointment. Now I'm headed back home. I'm so glad that I did that because I was falling asleep. It was kind of hard for me to stay awake. I kept having to turn up the music loud. It like hit me instantly. It was like I crashed or something. Probably because I drank that coffee that I got from Starbucks, but I should not have crashed a whole 2 hours later. But anyway, and I didn't even drink the whole thing. Anyway, she changed the setting on the laser thing. So now it zapped pretty much all the hair, like all the rest of the hair. And she got out some of my ingrowns as well. I'm still kind of getting ingrown hairs, but I'm probably gonna have to do at least 2 more treatments, she said, before it stops growing completely. Hopefully it's not more than that, but yeah, so now I'm about to head home and I'm so hungry, so I'm gonna warm up some food and then I may or may not still take that nap. I just merged back into traffic, so I will talk to you guys when I get home. So I know my hair looks a little crazy, but I'm back at home and I just finished eating. I warmed up my food, just taking out my contacts so I can sleep. Knowing me, I probably ain't even finna go to sleep. That always happens to me. Like I'm so planning for this amazing nap and then when I get in the bed nothing happened, but I'm gonna hope for the best. Before I go to sleep, look, I'm already making excuses to not take this nap that I desperately need. I'm gonna open a few packages on my Instagram. That's so not cute. Why does it have to be so large? So let me see which ones I want to open. Okay, gathered everybody up. I have 5 packages in my hand and then I'll possibly take my nap. I'm so tired. So I laid down for a second, I'm gonna be honest. I laid down for a second and then I was like, oh, let me open up some packages. And now I'm up. Anyway. So I just woke up and I took off my scarf because I want to do a face mask. Now I almost did the face mask without you guys and then I remembered I'm vlogging. Why does my hair look so crazy? I'm gonna have to redo my ends because I had some hanging bantu knots, but they all kind of fell down last night, or a lot of them did, so I'm gonna redo them. That's why they look puffy, because I don't think I'm gonna take my hair down today. Let me choose a mask. I want something that's gonna help with how oily I am. Ooh, this one might be something. Okay, I think I'm gonna use this one. It's the Burt's Bees Detoxifying Clay Mask. Luckily, the mask is like dark gray, so I can kind of see. I got my contacts, and I can't get like super close to the mirror because then you guys won't be able to see me. And then leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. And I'm actually about to start this show called Unauthorized Living on Netflix. I really hope it's good. I've tried to watch like 5 different shows and they all have been boring to me. So hopefully this one is good. I'm starting season 1. There's 2 seasons. If you've watched it, I guess at the time of me posting this, I will already know whether I like it or not. So yeah, I guess disregard that. Because I was about to say, if it's good, let me know, but this is not live. And then now I'm gonna look up close. So I'm gonna leave that on for, like I said, 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it off and watch my show. The whole point of me taking off my scarf was so that I can pull my hair back, and I didn't even do that. I don't know what I'm doing. So far the show is like literally right up my alley, which is so good. But I have something to tell you guys. Hold on. So for the past 4 months, I have had HelloFresh, and before I even go any further, this is not sponsored. I am not sponsored by HelloFresh. I pay for HelloFresh. I've been paying for HelloFresh for 4 months. I've been keeping it from you guys because I wanted to basically just try it out and not be like air quote pressured to film a review right away. I wanted to try it for a while, but let me know if you guys want to see a review of what I think, like honest opinion on HelloFresh from someone who buys it, purchases it, whatever the case. Today I'm actually gonna make the Mexicali black bean soup. So this is what I'm gonna make today. I have 2 other meals I could choose from, but this seems pretty easy. So yeah, all the food comes in there, but I'm gonna do a review if you guys want to see it. Let me know down in the comments. I know better when you guys comment versus when you just like the video, but you can like the video and comment down below to let me know if you want to see a review of HelloFresh, because I definitely want to do one. I have a lot that I want to say. So yeah, I'm about to cook this and then get back to the show because I got hungry. So this rarely happens that something strange goes on with my HelloFresh meals, which I will say in the review. Something else happened that I will talk about in that review, but this is strange. An onion is not supposed to look like that. I may have some onion though. That I'm definitely not finna eat. Okay, so I don't have any onion. I think I'm gonna pick another meal and go get onion tomorrow. With chili, you kind of need onion. So I'm gonna put this onion in this bag so that it won't stink up my whole apartment. This was my only like meatless option, so I'm gonna have to thaw out some meat. So I'm gonna do the white cheddar Wonder Burgers and Old Bay fries, but let me open it up because this one also has onion. Actually, you know what? I can cut this in half because I only need half of this onion for this recipe and the other recipe. And this onion looks normal. So yeah, that's what we'll do. So I just finished the chili and it looks so good. I'm so ready to eat it. I'm about to eat and finish watching the show, and then I'm probably gonna call it a night. So hey guys, it is the next day, and usually I only do one day, like day in my life. I'm still gonna title this day in my life because yeah. But yesterday was a short day, like I didn't do much, and I'm about to run some errands, so I thought I would take you guys along. So let's go. Just made it to the UPS store. I have some stuff that I need to return that I bought off Amazon. I actually I double bought my lens, which is so stupid. I bought it twice on accident, so gotta return that. And then I bought these shower hooks that don't actually fit in my shower curtain. Like the shower curtain is way too small, they don't fit in there, so I'm returning both of those. Sometimes when you have a return on Amazon, they'll let you just like return it without having it being in a box, so that was the option I got, which is super convenient. I'm gonna run in here really quick, and my camera is dying. Great. I have to go back home. Jeez, I forgot to change the battery. Okay, came back home, got the battery. Now we're leaving again. Now I'm headed to IKEA. So it just dawned on me that IKEA is not open, so I'm gonna go ahead to Target because that was the next place that I needed to go. So I'm coming in here because I need to get my glasses tightened. As you guys know, I do wear glasses. Eventually, I'm gonna get LASIK. I'm saying it, so it's gonna happen hopefully by the end of this year, but I don't know about that. These are my glasses. I always get questions about where these are from. They're actually from Target, like the optical center. And they are the brand Vogue brand. And that's what they look like. Ooh, okay. My cousin actually works in the Starbucks in there, so that was fun that she was there. She made me a caramel macchiato. It's gonna be fire, but I've already had actual coffee today, so probably gonna be doing cartwheels by the end of the day. Thanks, Kayla. Yum, yum. So now IKEA is open, so I'm about to head to IKEA. Yeah, I know. Through that whole store just to get that one thing. I mainly went in there just for this, to get this. It's a hook that you put on the wall, and I want to put my robe on it in my bathroom. But I also got this container right here, and this is what these containers I keep my coffee Keurig pods in, which I want to switch over to the reusable ones and them just use coffee grounds. I think that would be better than like constantly throwing away those Keurig pods, but until then I needed another one to separate decaf from caffeinated. So now we're headed back to the hizzy. So I'm back at home and I'm currently doing a lip swatch video of the Juvia's Place nude lipsticks and glosses, so you guys can stay tuned for that. That'll be up on Wednesday. So I just finished taking off my makeup, and then I braided my hair into 4 braids and put a roller in it. We'll see how it turns out in the morning. It was a disaster. Well, actually I'll see, because I guess it's the end of the video. But thank you guys so much for watching today's 2-day in my life vlog. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave and thumbs up this video, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.